I'm Hannah Cruz at the Church Musician's Assistant. This is lesson 3 of the singing workshop for church choir members. Today we're going to talk about relaxing the body. We all tend to hold a lot of tension in our bodies, and that's just holding us back as far as singing goes. If we can let go of all of that tension, then our voices will just be massive and beautiful and fabulous. First, we need to check our posture. Make sure it is strong and relaxed. So, you want to open your feet out to hip width distance and bend your knees ever so slightly. Just don't let them lock into straight position or you'll lose flow of blood down there, which is not good. And then we're going to pull our pelvis forward, let the buttocks pull in, and that's going to help to straighten the spine. That already feels better because I tend to have a sway back. So as we move up, we're going to rotate those shoulders back and down. So back and down. The neck will be positioned just right above the spine, and the head will stack right on top of the neck. There's no reason to crane your neck forward or pull it back, just right in line with the spine. This is a very stable, healthy posture for singing. Okay, now we got to work on releasing tension because we've all got lots of that. A great way to release tension real fast is with a yawn. So you just induce yourself into a yawn. Try that a couple times. So what that does is it opens up the throat and it opens up the mouth, and it's relaxing those jaw muscles that get tight. Now we're going to transition into some lip trills or lip rolls, whatever you call them. It's basically like a motorboat noise or a horse noise. And if you don't do it very often, it might be tricky to get started. So you can put 2 fingers in your cheek dimples, and that will help just relax those muscles and get the trill going. If you can release your hand and do it freely, then do that too. Just practice a couple lip trills with me. We're not aiming for any particular pitches, just kind of go from higher to lower in your range. Do that a couple times. Now we'll add in a scoop back up in pitch. So we'll go high to low and then right back up and let that sound flit away as if it's nothing at all. Okay, a little hand motion often helps just to sort of get the body into the groove of it. Let's add to the lip trill by shaking our head lightly left to right. This will relax the neck. Now to relax the hips, which can get very tight as well, let's just do a gentle squat and come back up as we lip trill. Do that as much as you need to get all the kinks out. So before you sing anything, always do these little exercises a couple times just to get everything relaxed and prepared. So you can induce yourself to yawn. You can do some lip trills. You can shake your head back and forth, do a couple shoulder rolls, do a couple light squats while you lip trill, and make sure that you're in a good posture for singing. Okay, this was lesson 3. I hope you will join me for lesson 4, which will be about optimizing our resonance, and we'll get into what that means soon. Hope to see you in that lesson. Until next time, this is Hannah Cruz at the Church Musician's Assistant, and have fun singing.